When it comes to tilling, the Rotary Tiller by Erskine is the brand pros trust. Preparing a garden or seed bed has never been easier. Plus, you can go up to 6 inches in depth. Outdoorsmen like the dual direct drive, meaning higher production with lower maintenance. This allows them to go deep into the woods to make food plots with no worry and no downtime. The bidirectional rotation increases efficiency by saving time and labor. You'll also appreciate the replaceable double-edged hardened tines and easy adjust depth shoes. This tiller is a must-have for the professional landscaper and serious sportsman. With 2 model sizes and the ability to run on both high and low flow machines, tilling will be done fast and to perfection. Erskine is built in the USA and made to last, with warranty and service long after the sale. Call one of our dealers today. You'll be glad you did.